All right, welcome back. So we are gonna do actually the unboxing now of the brand new MacBook Air 15-inch. As you can see in front of the box, we do have the picture of the MacBook itself. When we flip this over, we have on the side the Apple logo. On the other side, eventually we also have the Apple logo. In front of the box, we do have the MacBook Air, and on the other side we have the MacBook Air. And then when we flip this over, as you can see here, we have a couple of other information regarding the device itself. This is 8-core. I'm not sure if you can see it, but as you can see here, it is an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, 15.3 inch diagonal, and this is a Liquid Retina LED backlight display with the true tones. Okay, we are not gonna spend too much time with the tech right now. We are gonna go deeper inside of the computer itself and see what we have in there. But this was just to give you a quick idea about what we could expect. And as you can see, this is completely sealed, so I'm gonna remove it for the first time. So now we don't have any more plastic. Thanks to Apple for saving the environment, much appreciated. So I'm gonna open it for the first time, and then we're gonna open that one as well. And then there we go, it is now opened. I'm gonna flip it back, and then we're gonna lift it up for the first time. I like the way that Apple always suck the air in the box, so it make it so enjoyable to open a brand new Apple devices. So we just opened this. As you can see right in front of the box, the MacBook itself is covered with the thin kind of a paper. I'm gonna lift it up. Oh, I can tell right away that this is more heavier and way bigger than the previous one. And then, as you can see, it's very wrapped. It's very beautiful as always. Apple always do a good job with unboxing and with wrapping rather. And then it is very, very fantastic. We are gonna put this on the side for the moment and see what else we have in the box. So as you can see right in the box, we do have the power cable, and this is the USB type C, and we have the MagSafe. And funny enough, the cable, I'm not sure if you can see the color, but it is not white. It has the same color that the computer has. That is very, very good. And again, in the box we do have before that, let's see what charger do we have. I know that you have the option to get a fast charger, but I opt for the cheaper one, so because you have to pay more money if you want to get a fast charger. But I got this one, which is not that fast, and then it gets very, very small. So as you can see, it is very, very shiny. And then we do have two USB type C port here, so if you want to charge two at the same time, maybe your MacBook and your iPhone or your iPad. And then we have this it's good. I'm in Canada, so mine is a little bit different if you are in Europe, but this is a 35 watt. Is right there, 35 watt, so it might not be, it's not a very, very fast charger, but anyway, that's what we have in the box. But again, you can optimize, you can decide to change all of this when you are placing your order. But like I said, I went for the lowest possible because I mean, this is a MacBook. Yeah, so okay, so again in the box we do have a couple of paperwork. So this is the quick start guide. We do have, as you can see, the MacBook Air. And then if you have never used a MacBook Air before, eventually you can definitely read through this, how to turn it on and how to use it. And then we have a nice sticker. Oh, but this time it's different. Normally Apple uses the regular paper with the sticker, but this time it is a very, very different. And then for once, it's not in white. It has the same color as the MacBook. So it's very, very good. I like it. Good job, Apple, for doing that. Okay, so all this is done. We're gonna put all this aside now and then bring our attention to the MacBook Air itself. All right, so here we go. We are gonna unwrap this for the first time, and then it's the moment I always like with the all brand new device, the beauty of removing the packaging. This is so unique. Really very unique. Okay, so it is opened. This is very very beautiful indeed. Like, this color is like it's no rose, it's not white, it's in between. I think there's a name for it. Let me check on the box what color did we actually get. Honestly, I cannot tell because I don't really know too much about these colors, but the color is very amazing. If you know what color this is, kindly let me know in the comment down below. Okay, so again, let's continue. And then, as you can see, this is the front of the the MacBook Air. Nothing too different, it's the same thing. At the back of it, nothing crazy. You have the inch here, and on the side here, that's where we can see some difference. We have the MagSafe connector. We have two Type-C connector here. On the other side, we only have nothing except from the headphone. I'm impressed that they are still using this on the MacBook, because on the iPad and on the iPhone is already gone, but we do have this in case you want to use the headphones. And then in front here, that is very much nothing. And then there you go. We can now open it for the first time. Okay, so we are going to open this up for the first time. Oh, I love that shine. Okay, then as you see, it's loading up. We can remove this paper. Oh, this is just beautiful. Okay, so I hope you can see this. So it's setting. Let me bring the camera up a little bit so you can see what's going on. There you go. So again, nothing too different from the other MacBook Air, except from the bigger screen. Obviously, this is 15.3 inch. And then, oh, something else I can see that's different here is we do not have a speaker grill here. So I'm wondering where the sound is coming from. Normally, I'm used to have a speaker here and the speaker here, but this time the speaker is here in front of it, and then it's blasting the sound in out there, which is reflected back on us. This is amazing, very, very amazing. And as you can see, this is pretty much it. So we are gonna go through the setup process for the first time with you guys, and then we can see what is new with this, if there's any new wallpaper, if there's any if it's faster, and then we can take it from there. Okay, let's start then. Okay, so we are gonna do the setup like I said. So we're gonna choose English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Look at that, it's actually talking to me. So English, we're gonna go next. Let me bring it up a little bit more. There you go. And then here we are going to select our region. So I'm in Canada. I'm going to go continue. And then it says accessibility. So I'm actually okay. I don't have any of these things. So not now. But if you have any issue and then you want to kind of select any of this, you can definitely do so. A good plus with the Apple products. And then again, we do need to select our wireless connectivity. So I'm going to choose mine. So okay, I have selected my network and put the password in. I can go next. So it is setting up my my internet connection. So it takes some time. And as you can see here, is already connected. So it says network could not configure. Are you kidding me? Continue. Well, I guess we can do it without a network connectivity right now. So I guess I probably used my password wrong here. So I don't know if I can continue actually. Continue. So for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be too long. I'm going to go quickly. And then I say data and privacy. So we can always continue here. You have the option now to back up from a Mac, from a time machine, or a startup disk, or from actually a Windows PC. For me, I don't want to do any of that. It might take forever. And then again, license and hardware warranty, you need to agree, otherwise you cannot move forward. I agree. And then Mac so basically it's telling you if you have read and the agreement. Let's assume we did. Go to okay. then I'm definitely gonna name this PC. Okay, then is creating the account, and it is creating the account, so it's loading. It's gonna take some few minutes to set everything up, and then it's good. So it set everything up. It's asking us to enable location services. So we're gonna go continue. Analytics. Basically, I don't share anything with Apple myself, so if you want, you can do so. You can share crash reports and stuff like that. Well, this will help them to make the service better, but me personally, I do not. Again, we have the screen time. If you want to track yourself, you can do it. For me, I will set it up later. And you can also do Siri. Again, Siri is enabled. If you continue, you can talk, and then it's gonna recognize your voice. So we have a different type of voices here. Let me see if you can listen to them.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system settings.
Okay, that is voice number one. Voice
Hi,
number two.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system settings.
Oh, that's nice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Ooh.
You can change it later in system settings.
It's like a bass, big voice here. So, I mean, anyway, if I have to choose someone, then
Hi,
it's gonna be...
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system settings.
I'll choose number two. You can choose anything you want. It's up to you. So we need to set up Siri now to recognize our voice. So let's do that. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri. Send a message. Hey, Siri. How's the weather today? Hey, Siri. What does the rest of my day looks like? Hey Siri, play some music. There you go. So this basically is going to help you when anybody is saying hey Siri and then it's not your voice. This probably might not work. It's only going to be good when you need to talk to Siri and he knows that you are the one speaking. So that is great to do. Again, improve Siri. Again, you can share, you cannot. I don't want to share anything like I said before. Okay, so now we can set up Touch ID. This is good. Setting up, it's very fast. Very, very fast. I like it. Okay, number two, again. It's amazing, very fast. And then you can choose to get the your looks. You can sort light, dark. So this is like a mode. You can choose light mode, dark mode, and auto. So auto, you can probably set up a time where it's gonna switch between dark and light, or maybe when sunset or sunrise. I always prefer to go to black mode, but like again, dark mode. Sorry, but again, because of this video, I'm gonna go to light to make sure that everything is clear and crispy on the video. And that is perfect. And then as you can see, we are in the MacBook. It was very, very simple to set up. Again, I skip some of the settings, but again, on your side, you take your time and do it, and it's fantastic. And again, this is the typical MacBook Airs. Nothing has changed. Let's go see if you have some let's see what this comes with. So the MacBook Air, like I said before, we have the Apple M2 chip inside, memory 8GB. We have the Mac OS Ventura 13.3. I believe there must be an update that we need to do. And yeah, that is regular stuff. So you can choose the appearance that you want. Like I said, this is regular Mac stuff. Let's just see wallpapers, because that's the most important thing that I like. Let me bring this closer this time. Okay, so again, let me see if I can increase the brightness. There you go. Oh, I love this one. When I went to the Apple store, this Stills wallpaper was the one that is actually showing, and I really like it. Like it's very good actually. You see, we have these beautiful wallpapers in different colors, We have this one. I mean, I love the way Apple give you option to choose so many color with the same wallpaper. Oh, I love these wallpapers, man. It's very, very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful here. Yeah, with the new Mac OS that's coming out, it's gonna be very, very amazing here. So again, oh, I love this one too. Oh, this one we have to download it to be able to view it. Okay, no big deal. We can do that on the next video. We're gonna listen to the sound. I was not able to find the music because I have to sign up. I meant to sign in, but I didn't want to sign in too much for the sake of this video. But let's listen to the music here, to the volume.
It's death. If you boil the pact down to one rule, it's do not say you want to go outside.
And honestly, yes, the bass is amazing here, and then yeah, it is very, very good. I mean, it's funny that I don't see any speakers around here, but like, I don't know how good this is because Apple, I don't know what they did, but it looks like the sound is coming from somewhere here because I don't see any speakers grill, any holes on the on this PC. So I guess the sound is coming from here and then blasting here and then again forwarded to you. Anyway, this was a quick unboxing of the brand new MacBook Air 2023 15-inch, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So again, don't forget, if you like this video, to give a big thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, and you will never gonna miss any of my videos anymore. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where we are gonna be doing the full review of this MacBook. And if you like gaming, we're gonna put this PC to the test and see how well it performs again. And then again, whether you should upgrade or not, completely up to you. But again, you're gonna find out on my next video. Well, this is Maxi Limit signing out. See you next time. Bye bye.